Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your account balance on the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your wallet name and your password or your recovery phrase. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to hide the balance that is shown on your account, then just tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings. Now within the settings page, you will see the Hide Balance button. Go ahead and tap on this toggle and you can now go back into your wallet homepage and you will see that your balance is now hidden. You will need to now tap on this in order to reveal your balance, and you can once again hide it by tapping on it. If you wish to change this setting back so that your balance won't be hideable, then you can once again go back to your profile page, and from the settings, you can unhide your balance once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your balance on the imToken wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.